طيب بنات, very quickly, this is a short video explaining binomial theorem. Binomial theorem works just like Pascal triangle, but instead of you going and just do the Pascal triangle, it starts with 3 ones and then you add these two, one before, one after, 3, 3. I'll do it quickly because I feel like most of you know it. I want to reach power 7. So 4, 6, 4, 1 before, 1 after, 5, 10, 5, oh sorry, 10 again, 5, then 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, and lastly 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. This one is for power of 7. We have 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. Instead of doing the Pascal triangle, you can use binomial theorem. How does it work? So on your calculator, you press on shift, okay, division. You will have this function. It's written like this, but on your calculator you're just gonna see this one, C. That's it. You will find in your calculator screen only letter C. So what you do is, one second. What you do is, before that letter, you always put your power. In this case, the power is 7. This is always your power. This is n. So before your C, just click on an arrow to go before the C and write your power, 7. And then after your C, you write the remainder. What's the remainder? It's basically the number of term. If you want, let's say you want the first term, your number, that the R basically, the number that is after the C is basically 0. If you want your second term, the R is 1. So let's do it. First term, so I'm gonna set the R as 0, and if you write equal, you're gonna get 1, an answer of 1. That's the first term. And then do the same. 7 doesn't change the function, shift division basically. This is how you get the function, shift division. And then you want the second term, so the R will be 1. We always start with 0 in case you wonder, tamam? You're gonna get 7. And then 7C2 on your calculator, you're gonna get, just always change this number, that's it. You will get 21. And then 7C3, this is the fourth term, you will get 35. And then 7C4, next term, you will get also 35. And then 7C5, you will get 21. 7C6, you will get 7. You try to do it while I'm doing it. 7C7, which is the last thing. You cannot have more than the power, okay? That's 1. And count them, they should be 8 terms. If you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. And they are exactly in the same order as this one. Tamam? So it's just the same way of getting the numbers or the coefficients of Pascal triangle. Okay? How does it work? Just use shift division, you will get the function. Fix the n, it's always the same, it's your power, and change the r. If you want the first term, start with 0, and then so on, until you reach 7. You cannot get more than 7, by the way. If you try to make this 8, it will give you error. So you start from 0 to get 8 terms. Tamam? طيب, let's see. From here, how does it work? Take your coefficients in order from 0 to 7. Write them down. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and then 1. Since we have minus, directly, first term will be positive, and then you're going to have negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Always make sure that the first term is positive, first number. And now do your powers table. We have x and 1. I already put the sign. It's not one, negative 1, it's 1 now. The x will take power of 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The 1 will start power of 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So directly, x will take power of 7, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and x to the power of 0, no need to write it, خلاص, done. Then the 1 will take power of 0 at the beginning, but I don't write it. Then here, power of 1, power of 2. Always make sure that the powers add up to, 1 to the power of 1. 1 to the power of 2. Anyways, make sure that the powers add to 7. They add to 7. Here it's already 7. So 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 4. It will increase. 1 to the power of 5. 1 to the power of 6. And 1 to the power of 7. Then simplify. How do you simplify? Every term, work on it separately. 1 times x to the power of 7 is x to the power of 7. That's it, done. Then this one. What do we put in the calculator? Just put -7 times 1 to the power of 1. Only put the numbers. So if you put this, you're going to get -7 and put the variable down, x to the power of 6. Next, put the numbers. 21 times 1 to the power of 2. You're going to get 21 and just put the variable. Here the same thing. 1 times -35. But the 1 is power of 3. It's going to be -35 x to the power of, sorry, here is 5 and here is 4. Make sure to always double check the powers. The x will decrease diamond. And then here 35 times 1 to the power of 4. It's going to be 35 only, and then just put the variable x to the power of 3. Same here. 21 negative times 1 to the power of 5. It's going to be -21. Put the variable x squared. Here 7 times 1 to the power of 6 is going to be 7. Just put down the variable. X to the power of 1 is basically x. Here -1 times 1 to the power of 7 is going to be -1. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hold on.